Hi everyone, welcome to AutoCAD System channel. In this video, I will talk about how to insert and edit text in AutoCAD. First of all, AutoCAD has two types of text, which are single line text and multi-line text. If you click this icon, it will default to multi-line text. So let's start with inserting multi-line text in this floor plan. Click on this icon, and then when I drag the mouse, you can see a box appear. The text that you enter will display between these two lines, which means this is the length of the text that will display. You can see that the text will not exceed the box, and the text will continue with a new line if it reaches the boundaries of the box. When you finish, just click out of the box and press enter. Now, I'm going to show you how to edit multi-line text. First, you can see when you are selecting the text, a text editor will display on the top. And now, you can enter the value at here to change the text size. For instance, I'm going to put 5 and click enter. Now, you can see the text become bigger. You can also change the text style and text color over here. Lastly, close the text editor to finish it. For single line text, we need to specify the text height and then select the direction of text. If you want your text horizontally, just drag your mouse to the right. But if you want your text vertically or any other angle, drag to the direction that you want or just enter the angle. Click your mouse somewhere and press enter to finish it. Remember, do not press enter first, otherwise it will start a new line. Now I'm going to show another way to edit text. Select the text and right click. Now you can see a dialog box. Select properties and go to text height. And now enter the value that you want. We can also change the text style or text color using properties. You can use this method to simply edit text. That's all for the tutorial today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the AutoCAD System channel to watch the full list of AutoCAD tutorials.